Welcome to Fazool. My name is Andy, and today we are preparing this beautiful leg of lamb for Easter time. So stick around because I tell you, this is going to be so good, delicious. You don't want to miss this. See you in a little bit. Okay, welcome back. Well, the first thing we're going to do is finish up cutting these potatoes and these carrots. Okay, that's what's going to be the base, the bottom of the pan. Cut them like in 3 or 4 pieces. A little closer so you can see this. Okay, 1, 2. That's basically how I like to cut them. About the same size of the carrots. Okay, we'll fix these up with some nice seasoning. What I like to do first is put some olive oil on top of this. See, fresh olive, green, extra virgin olive oil. Put some pepper, black pepper, a little bit of salt. Okay, some thyme. And that's just about it. Maybe put a little bit of garlic too. Some fresh garlic. That'll be great. I won't put too much garlic in here because I'll be putting the garlic on the lamb. And yeah, maybe just 1 piece, 2 pieces of garlic. Mix it up with the hands. Put this right on the bottom of the lamb. Okay. And now we're going to get to the lamb. I'm going to take off a little bit of this fat. We won't take off too much of it because we want a little bit of the fat. Fat's good. I'm just going to take this off. And just a little of the fat. Need some of the fat because that fat's going to melt and it's going to make those potatoes and carrots taste just great. So you don't want to take too much of it. Leave some of the fat on. Okay, take off this piece over here. Okay, put the other side over here. Okay, now I'm going to fix up this leg. I don't like making holes in them and putting pieces of garlic in there. To me, that doesn't really work because I've done it before, and the only area where the garlic is where you get that strong taste of garlic. So what I like to do, I really like to score the meat a little bit like this. Now, see, like that, all the way down to the bottom part. See. I do the same thing, this piece over here, spin it on the other side, and do the same over here, square it, okay, and then, what I like to do is mix some of this mixture, virgin olive oil, again we're going to put some thyme in there. I don't use rosemary as much when it comes to lamb because I don't know, I think the thyme is just perfect for the lamb, and somehow the rosemary is kind of strong. I like to put a little bit of this chicken stock over here, powdered chicken stock, Goya. Let me tell you, to me it's one of the best. I've tried the rest, none of them taste as good as this one. So okay. A little bit of paprika, give a little bit of color to the leg. A little bit of paprika. course, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay. And I'll make a mixture. A little bit of garlic in there. And I found out that this is the best way to really season this leg of lamb. I like to use this little gadget over here because it makes the garlic nice and small. You can actually put the garlic just about everywhere. What I do is, okay, I just get the stuff over here, put it right on top. Look at that beautiful color. Okay. Everywhere. Just fantastic. Okay. And that paprika is very, very important because that gives it beautiful color. And the garlic is just going to go right inside the scoring over here. And last year I did a great lamb. This way it came out fantastic. And I'm showing you guys how to do it. Hello there. I'm going to show you guys this year how I did it last year. And you guys are going to love this. That's beautiful. Just grab it, put it on top. And that's about it. I mean, it's very simple. And this is going to go in the oven for about an hour 45 minutes at 400 degrees. And it's going to be just perfect. And I'll see you guys in about 2 hours. I'm going to show you guys how to slice this up. You'll love this. See a little bit. And we're back. The leg is cooked. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is now. And cooked it for about, I'll put this on the side over here, make this rest for about 20-25 minutes. And about 25 minutes, make it rest a little bit. And I cooked it a little extra for like about 20-25 minutes because my family, they like it kind of well done. They don't like it undercooked. So I cooked it for another like 25 minutes. This was about 5-pound leg, about 40 minutes for each pound, so it's about 2 hours. And this is perfect. I'll put this on the side, make this rest now. Leave it there. Meanwhile, we're gonna take these out. All these little veggies. Look at this. I like them out there. Put these on the side. Oh wow! I'm gonna get this juice over here. With this juice, by the way, we're gonna make a nice gravy. I'll put this on the side. This is done. While that's resting, we're gonna make some gravy. The first thing I like to do is get this gravy over here. This juice that came out of the leg. Put a little bit of milk in it. And leave it like that. Okay, come here. And just try to get a little bit of milk in there. Put some butter in here. Okay, I'll say about 2 of them over here. This. Okay. Until it melts up a little bit. Put this down a little bit. I don't want it to cook too. I don't want it to cook too fast and burn that butter, so keep it low fire. As soon as it melts, a little bit of flour, just a little bit, just make like a roux. Okay. We're going to add this beautiful juice. That should automatically make it a little bit. So we get nice and thick. Just a little bit more. Okay. And we're going to put this on the side. That cooks quick, by the way. We're going to make it thicken up a little bit. We're going to give it a taste to make sure it's good with salt. A little bit of salt. Oh, too much. Okay, that's perfect. And here, I haven't moved too much. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that right there. Okay, I'd say it's about 25 minutes now. We're gonna get this beautiful leg. I'm gonna carve this up. There's a couple of ways you can carve this. You can slice this up. You can slice it up by cooking all the way, by cutting all the way through to the bone. When you reach the bone, you stop. Or you just start slicing it this way. I like slicing it this way. So this is how I do it. Okay. I like to hold it. Okay. Perfect color. Look at that. Fantastic. That came out just great. Beautiful color. Huh? Nice and well done. Well done, and actually not really that well done. It's just perfect. In my opinion, it's really perfect. Okay. Look at that. That's perfect. Make sure it's nice and sharp, the knife. The sharper the knife, the better you get the cuts. The nicer the slices come out. Once you're done on one side, then you turn it and do the other side. Same way. And of course, you know, I'm gonna have to give it, you know, a taste. Wow, so tender, it's beautiful. What a great taste. See, you could taste that garlic and that thyme right through. Fantastic, nice and tender. We're almost there, you know. Then, of course, once you're done this side too, just get it, hold it with the bone, and you cut this part right off. See? So it's on the side over there. Okay, cut this part right off, right by the bone. This we can give it to, I don't know, Scooby-Doo. Hey, Scooby! Let's see, put this on the side. Finish cutting up pieces over here. Slice them up. That's done. Okay. This on the side now, and we're gonna plate this up. We're almost done. And we get a plate over here, and here it goes. How are we gonna do this? Let's see. We're gonna do this with I don't know. Hold up. I like to do this. I like to put a little bit of that beautiful gravy on the bottom over here. A few pieces of that lamb. 1, 2, 3 pieces. It all depends, you know, how much you want, how much you like. I say 3 pieces is just perfect. Get some veggies, which there's no plate finished without some veggies on the side. A little more gravy on top. And that's about it. Let's give it a taste. And this lamb is done. Oh yeah, I have to go for it. Wow. This came out fantastic. Well, this is my lamb, how I make it. If you guys like it, give it a try. You're gonna love this because it came out really good, nice and soft, juicy. And that's it, guys. Happy Easter to everybody. And see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. This is Pastor Fazool. Ciao. This we can give it to, I don't know, Scooby-Doo. Hey, Scooby. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pastor Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.